Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explore Armstrong numbers using JavaScript. An Armstrong number is one where the sum of the cubes of its digits equals the number itself. We'll write in a program to find all three-digit Armstrong numbers. Let's get started. An Armstrong number has a special property where the sum of the cubes of its digits equals the number itself. For example, 371 is an Armstrong number because 3 cubed plus 7 cubed plus 1 cubed is equal to 371. We will find all such numbers between 100 and 999. Let's dive into the code implementation. We define a function that loops through all possible 3-digit combinations. We calculate the cube of each digit and then sum them. If the sum matches the original number, we print it to the console. This finds all Armstrong numbers between 100 and 999. We iterate through each digit position, hundreds, tens, and units. We compute the sum of the cubes of each digit. We compare that sum with the original number. If they match, it is an Armstrong number, and then we print it. Let's look at some Armstrong numbers. 153, 370, 371, and 407 all satisfy the Armstrong condition. For example, 371 is valid because 3 cubed plus 7 cubed plus 1 cubed is 371. All four numbers are identified by our program. Armstrong numbers are a fun exercise for practicing logic and digit processing. They often appear in coding interviews and algorithm challenges. They help reinforce important programming concepts like loops, conditionals, and number properties. Let's wrap up with a quick summary. We built a JavaScript program to find all three-digit Armstrong numbers. This exercise reinforced skills in nested loops, digit extraction, and using math power. Armstrong numbers are a fun way to blend math and programming. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.